A friend of mine asked me the type of person I wanted to end up with, and I told them I wanted to be with someone who's better than me. I spent time searching for this person, but little did I realize she was right by my side the whole time.
I learned over the years how Julie is passionate about her work and books and social justice, that she's fun-loving, adventurous, happy, and excited about life.
You should know that the first time I heard about you was actually on T4K. We were somewhere in Alaska talking about relationship issues. And Sherv said he knew someone in BME who he had been friends with for some time, but he thought wouldn't go any further than that.
I was dancing with Shervin on a lovely night on the street that comes after 5th Street in Austin. Both Julie and Shervin locked eyes, and then Shervin aggressively pushed me away while the two of them danced the night away together.
You finally just both admitted that you had crushes on each other.
I still remember the first time I met Julie. She came home to Thanksgiving, and I remember my dad saying, medical school is really tough, and I'm really glad that they have each other to support each other through it.
She has always prioritized those who mean most to her, and this was absolutely true with Sherwin. Watching their relationship evolve and flourish over the years has always been something I have felt so lucky to have witnessed.
We truly grew up together, and you're making me the happiest person in the world by committing to grow old together.
These rings tell the world that you have chosen the one that you love. They tell the world that you have someone who is waiting for you at night when you return home after a long day at the hospital. And at the same time, they remind you of the person with whom you have chosen to share all of life's joys, from finding the best chocolate chip cookie, to enjoying Eddy's cutest moments, and to celebrating all the new chapters ahead.
Watching how you are with Eddy has deepened my love for you in a way I never thought possible. And it's made me so excited for us to expand our family, though still TBD if that's with more dogs or with babies.
I promise to face our conflicts standing side by side instead of against each other. I promise to challenge you to be the best version of yourself, just as you've done for me. I promise to always keep our pantry stocked with at least 5 jars of Peter Pan smooth peanut butter. Obviously not the crunchy kind.
We present to you a newly married couple, Julie and Sharwin.
You may now kiss.
I know my dad would have been very happy that all of you came. And I know that he would have been happy that I found Julie.
I would like to raise a toast to love, laughter, and their happily ever after. Julie and Sharwin, wishing you an adventurous life together, and I hope all your dreams live long and come true.